Welcome back to another meditation episode. I hope you're well. Today's meditation is going to be themed to a 10 minutes meditation. So sometimes all you have is 10 minutes to meditate, and often all you have is all you need, right? So if you don't have time to do a full 20 minutes meditation today, instead of not doing anything, do a 10 minutes meditation, and I'm going to guide you through a 10 minutes meditation on today's episode. Before we get started though, I would like to introduce myself very briefly and welcome all our newcomers, whether you are listening on YouTube or you're listening to this podcast on a podcast platform. My name is Raphael, and on this channel we practice tools and strategies for personal development and life management. And I say practice because on every single episode I give you an exercise to actually take action, not just learn passively some theories that we all pretty much know already. And one of my favorite personal development and life management tools is meditation. So on this channel we do daily meditations. Every single day we meditate together. Sometimes they are themed meditations, just like this one, which is a 10 minutes meditations. And sometimes we practice vibrational meditations that bring you into transcendence, where I introduce a sound and you focus on it so that you can control your thoughts. And we have great results with those meditations. It's all completely free. It's all on the YouTube channel and on the podcast. So if this is something that's interesting to you, please do consider subscribing to the channel and pressing this little bell for notifications so that you don't miss any of the upcoming content. So without further ado, let's start right into the meditation. As always, we want to sit comfortably. I recommend, personally, this is what I do. I sit on a little meditation pillow. It's an organic cotton. It's quite hard so that you don't slouch. It's a very practical little thing to have. I'll link it in the description to this video or in the show notes of the podcast. But you can also sit on a chair if this is more convenient to you. It really depends where you are. If you're taking a 10 minutes meditation at work, then you're on your work chair. That is fine. Just try to sit as straight as possible, but not too straight so as not to introduce any tensions in your body, and so that you're available for the meditation and not just ready to fall asleep, right? We do have some relaxations on the channel, and we will be doing a lot of meditations for sleep. This is something that's been asked for a lot, and this is different, right? This, you will be falling asleep, and that's okay. It's okay if you fall asleep during the meditation, by the way, but this is not really the goal. The goal is to brush your brain, to clean your brain, to recharge, to be in a position where you can observe yourself in your life, to be mindful, to be more mindful of your mind, your body, your feelings, your interactions. So you want to be in a meditative position. You don't have to sit on the floor in a half lotus or being on the Himalayas or anything, but just sit nice and straight and available. And we're going to start today's meditation by taking a nice deep breath in through the nose, and on the exhale through the mouth, release some tensions in your body and gently close your eyes. Let's do it one more time. We're going to slowly breathe in through the nose, and on the exhale, release tension in your shoulders, and again releasing tensions maybe in your neck. If you feel you need to stretch here and there, that's perfectly fine. Do so. I like to take a few nice deep breaths to release the tension in my jaw. This is a place where I have quite a lot of tension. Again, nice and slow, effortlessly breathe in through the nose, and on the exhale, through the mouth, releasing the tensions in our body, getting more and more relaxed. relaxed. Now stop controlling your breathing. Just breathe normally. Don't take any actions. Don't try to breathe deeper or slower. Just notice how it is that you are breathing. Gently put the focus on the rhythm of your breath. Notice, is it deep? Is it shallow? But don't change anything. Notice if you're breathing from the chest or from your back or maybe from your belly. Just be mindful of your breath and don't try to take control. If a thought comes to you, that is perfectly okay. Don't try to eliminate that thought, even if it's a really happy thought. Don't judge your thought, and don't try to eliminate your thought. When a thought does come, simply put your focus back on your breath. Gently, effortlessly, and in a kind manner towards yourself. Let's take back control over our breaths now. Making sure you're breathing in through the nose and out through the mouth. Breathe in gently, effortlessly, and slowly through the nose and out through the mouth, releasing any tensions that might still be there. Now put a little smile on your face. You've done a great exercise here today. You took the time for yourself in order for you to have a better day, a better life, a better state of mind that will enhance the quality of your work, of your relationships, of your interactions, of your focus. So I want you to smile nicely because you need to be proud of what you just did here today. And whenever you feel like it, take another last deep, slow breath in through the nose and out through the mouth, this time releasing more tension and gently opening your eyes. Start noticing around you the familiar shapes and the unfamiliar shapes, the familiar lights and colors and the unfamiliar lights and colors. Notice the sounds around you, and whenever you are ready, you may sit back up. I suggest you drink a nice glass of fresh water and go back towards your day. I will see you in the next meditation. Take care. Bye bye.